Without knowledge of keyboard shortcut key, you can handle computer. But if you want to be master in keyboard or want to complete tasks easily and very fast, you have to know shortcut key. I show you here more than 18 keyboard shortcut key which play crucial role in computer. Number 1. Alt plus F4. This key helps to close the open window or shut down the computer. So want to close this window, this face directly, you can press Alt F4, it will close. If you want to shut down your computer directly, you can press Alt F4, click shut down or press enter, your computer will be shut down. Number 2, Windows plus D. It helps to minimize the whole application and display desktop screen. Sometimes we want to go in desktop and at that period we can press Windows and press D. Number 3, backspace and delete key. I show you the example in Microsoft Word. For that, open Microsoft Win plus R and type WIN. I want to write here some text. Is equal to rank. Open and close and press enter key. I want to increase letter size. Ctrl Shift greater than. Yes. Here is my cursor. If you want to delete left of this my cursor, you can use backspace. And if you want to delete your text right side of your cursor, you can press the delete key. Number 4, Alt plus Tab. It allows you to switch the programs. Press Alt Tab. It shows the pop-up menu, and to jump next screen, you can press Tab key. Example, I want to go YouTube screen, so press select it or release the Alt button. You can see here is my YouTube screen has shown. Number 5, Ctrl T. It helps to open new window of browser. When I want to press Ctrl T, Ctrl T, Ctrl T, there's a lot of new tab has opened now. Number 6, Ctrl H. It shows the history. And if you want to delete this history, you can press Ctrl Shift and press delete key. You can see clear browsing. Click the down arrow. I want to delete all. Click on all and click clear now. Next, number 7, Ctrl D. It helps to bookmark the page. If you want to use shortcut key, you can press Ctrl D for bookmark. Ctrl D. Yes, and click on done. Number 8, Ctrl Shift T. Reopen the recent closed tab or the pages. Sometimes we suddenly close some pages. Example, I close it and want to open that Google page. You can press Ctrl Shift T. Number 9, Ctrl Alt Del. It provides the security options like lock, switch, use, change password, task manager. Task manager is very crucial. We can close not responding program. Press Alt and Del key. Go to process, and if you want to close it, you can right click and end the task. Number 10, Ctrl Z or Ctrl Y. Ctrl Z we use for the undo and Ctrl Y we use for redo. This is my one file. Go to select side. If I select it and press delete, it delete, and I want to undo this action, you can press Ctrl plus Z. It restore again in my desktops. If you want to cancel this process, you can press Ctrl Y. Again, it will delete it. Next shortcut key is Ctrl arrow. If you want to select without mouse, you can use Ctrl right arrow. I start from the change. I keep cursor in front of change and then press a shift hand, press the right arrow. It will start to select. Go left side, you can press left arrow. Please press just face down button of screen, it goes the down of screen, face down, face down, face down. Yes, page up, it helps to move face upside of your page, page up, page. Yeah. If you press with Ctrl page up or page down, it directly jump next page. This is my first page. If you want to go second page, you just press Ctrl and page down. It directly, yeah, you can see it's now I'm page 2 and upside of your page, Control page up. Yeah, it's page 3. Escape. ECS. We can use escape button to cancel. Example, I press Alt F4. If you want to cancel it, you just press ECS or escape button of your screen. Or I want to press Alt Window plus R. There is one box has a display, and if you want to cancel it, just press escape button. Showing you presentation, for that press F5 key and press escape button of you. It helps to cancel this our presentations. In this way we can use our important shortcut key and make document easily.